Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be going over arrays. Now there's going to be a lot to intake in this video, but just bear with me here. Alright, so we're going to go straight into this. Open up the CPP file that we had last episode and erase everything that was in it except for the system pause and the return 0. And I'm going to show you how to declare an array, and basically how the subscripts work, and then we're going to use them effectively. So we're going to do an example, and we're going to do like a little lab with them. Alright, so let's go ahead and type in this int, and let's say user, let's make that, user input. And we're going to put a bracket, a regular bracket, not a curly, and let's put 5, okay? And then let's put then you gotta put a semicolon, and then let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I almost forgot that you have to actually put equals, duh. And there we go. Now, let me show you how this works. Alright, so we have 5 different user inputs, which would be our array, and this is what's going to be displayed on each one of them. But in order to display them, we have to understand the subscripts. Now, don't get confused with the numbers here that we have up here. This one is going to be under subscript 0. This one's going to be under subscript 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go ahead and display these numbers. So we're going to type in cout user input. I don't know why I named it user input. Let's name this number array actually. And name this number array. Okay, and let's put subscript 0 and in the line. Okay, let's run it. And it's taking a while for it to build. And as you can see, it says 1. Now let's say we change this to 3. It should display 4. As you can see, it displayed 4. Alright, so now let's use these arrays effectively. And this is where I got the user input from. So let's declare another array, double array. Instead of integer, we're gonna do a double array. Let's name it user input. This is where I got the user input from. And we're going to do a 3. And we're not going to give it any parameters this time. Alright. And let's go ahead and ask the user, how many cars would you like to have? Get some input, and you're going to type in user input subscript 0. Okay, now let's type in cout how much money would you like to spend on each car, and type in cin user input subscript 1. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to type in user input subscript 2 equals user input subscript 0 times user input subscript 1. Basically what it's doing is taking the amount of cars that they have entered and multiplying it by the amount of money that they wish to spend on each car. And now what we're going to do is we're going to say cout your total is, and we're going to put in user input 2. And we're going to put a cash sign right there, and we're going to end the line, and now the program is able to run smoothly. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit F5 here. Alright, let me put this over here. Alright, so it asks us how many cars would you like to have. So I want 3. Let's enter 3. Huh. It's not letting me enter anything. This is weird. There we go. Alright. For some reason it wouldn't let me enter anything. So we're going to type in 3. How much money would you like to spend on each car? Let's do $25,000. Your total is $75,000. Press any key to continue. So basically, an array is like saying the same thing, like the same variable, but more than once, however many times you want it to say. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you liked the episode, please thumbs up the episode. As always, if you want to subscribe, go ahead and click the subscribe button under the video. If not, that's okay, and I'll see you guys next episode. Bye.